Hi, and welcome back to www.ourcandyfamily.com. Today I've got a great episode for you. Found this last night when I was trying to find some software to use for my flight simulator so that I could control it without having to push a million buttons, because there's tons of them on Flight Simulator. And I found that Windows 7 has speech recognition built into it, and that there's another thing that you can download that allows you to create macros that allow you to say what you want it to do, and it will then turn that into keystrokes. So for this one, I'm actually going to take you onto my desktop and show you how to set it up, where to download the macro creator, and then I'm going to take you into my flight simulator. Sorry it's so jumpy, the frame rate doesn't match my video collecting software for taking screenshots. So, but it's still, you can get the point when we're in there, and I can show you. But hopefully you enjoy this one. I enjoyed making it, and I'm going to enjoy using this software. So let's go to my desktop.
Okay, welcome to my computer. I'm going to now show you how to turn on voice recognition. You can start by either typing it in here, and it's going to come up here and say Start Speech Recognition, or you can go straight to the control panel, and it's right there. Now the first time you do this, it's going to take you through the setup. I've already gone through all the setup, but I'll kind of show you. It's going to go through setting up your microphone. We'll go ahead and start that. And it's going to ask you what kind of microphone you're using. It's best to use a headset microphone, I found. I've tried using the onboard microphone on my laptop. It does okay. It's not great. But in this case, I am using a headset. Go through the next. Well, Peter dictates. Well, let me finish. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing, and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Okay, it actually heard it that time because it didn't go right through it. But so now my microphone is ready to use. I hit finish, and that's coming up. Now to start it, all you got to do is say start listening. Okay, start listening. There it goes. And now it's listening to everything I do. Pretty cool, because you can bring a notepad up. Bring that into view here, and I can tell it what to type just by saying type this, and there it goes, and it's going through everything that I say. I've noticed that it does a pretty good job, but there are a few things that it misspells, or not really misspells, but it doesn't take it out of context, basically. So, but yeah, as you can see, everything that I'm telling you, it's typing. But yeah, it does really do a good job. You do got to tell punctuation, decimal, period. There we go. Exclamation mark. The exclamation mark. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Stop listening. Stop listening. There we go. Now it's sleeping. I can go ahead and close that. So that's one of the cool things. The main reason I downloaded this software was because I wanted to use it for my flight simulator, to control my flight simulator commands without having to hit buttons on my keyboard. It makes for a more realistic flight simulator experience. So along with this, it doesn't come bundled on Windows 7, but it's an extra download you can download. Let me pull up my web browser here. I'll just throw that up there. And just going to go in and do a search for Windows Speech Recognition Macros. And the very first one comes up, download details. That means it's from Microsoft. So we're going to go ahead and go into there. And you can download the Windows Speech recognition macros.msi and install it. You click on continue here. It takes you through validating your Windows installation, and then you get a download button right below here for each of these. I've already downloaded it and installed it, so I don't need to go through this. But it's pretty cool. And then what that does, it allows you to take your voice commands and it converts them into keystrokes. Let me go ahead and turn that on. So now I have it down here running. And I have a few macros already assigned to it, and I'll pull up one. These are all my air traffic control and airplane macros that I've made. So, for example, air traffic control, I'll go ahead and edit that one. And this one, whenever I say the words air traffic control, it emulates that keystroke right there, which turns on my air traffic control. You can do multi, let's see, here we go, engine. Whenever I say the words engine, what it does is it presses the control button plus the E, which starts the engine on my airplane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. It's still running. It's right down here, right there. It's running. Speech recognition is running. Awesome. So now I'm going to start my flight simulator. Start listening. Takes a minute for it to come up. Alright, so here we are at the Wheeler Downtown Airport, and I'm going to go ahead and start showing you some cool things. Start listening. Air traffic control. 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1. Air traffic control. Next view. Gear. Air traffic control. Stop listening. Okay, well there's some of the features that this has. Some of the different things I can do with it. Next view. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really enjoy using it, and hopefully you can find other applications to use it. Stop listening. So hopefully stop listening and let me finish my flight. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for coming and watching me on www.ourcandyfamily.com, and have a great day. Bye-bye. End flight.